So business, nigga. I don't Bishop, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Real young ones, nigga. Stood out the West Coast, nigga. East side of Watts, nigga. Ice cream, vanilla cookies, hard tacos and nachos. I beat an ugly girl, moved the clock to the smut on. Popped it down 11 and headed straight to the clocks. And they was stolen 100K when I looked at my watch. Phony niggas don't listen, bitchy niggas don't learn. Catch a rhyme when you slipping, dipping down West Side. I'm a savage. Just pop a blind eye maggot. Emptied the whole clip, let his dog ass heavy. They ain't hit. A lucky charm just got hit. And they was snap, crackle, pop to the right to your bitch. How your hood real famous and I don't even for thick. Man, these crab ass niggas starting to make me sick. Move 430, told the toast, what the fuck is that? Bishop blood, guess what? Blood, the hood been on the map. Bebop, watch, I kill it up for my real killers and side gang. Before I'm out for my niggas, for them niggas that be talking hard, all that shit on the beat. Blood, I really need that. And Wolf Cap, when you see me on the third, have your gag, cause I'm Bloods, nigga. I really need that. And when I said fuck CJ on the first song, blood, I really meant that. And when you see me on Lanzac, nigga, on Bishop's song, you better run that. You better run that, cause if not, I'ma run it to you. Hit you up like fuck, fake niggas, he smile too. Bishop blood banging. 92nd Street, and guess what, blood? Do you know we can meet? We can meet on your side, we can meet on my side, but where we meet, niggas, Bishop, where I was high till I die, nigga. Yeah, bury me a G, I'm tatted on my arms and on my back on fuck fake streets. You already know. Killer Dave, what it do? Soundwild, what it do? BIP Joe Deuce. My niggas is killers, we real thug niggas. And free sticking big real blood niggas. Fakes be telling, but it ain't nothing, dog. I been punching out fakes in the fucking halls. County jail too, cause they ain't wanna hit you. Nigga, it's not those Bishop.